Here's how to fix an AirDrop failure. If you're trying to send something via AirDrop and you see an error like AirDrop failed, follow these steps to resolve it. In this case, I was trying to send a video from my phone to my MacBook Pro, but the transfer didn't go through. The first thing you'll want to do is go into your settings and head to Wi-Fi. Toggle it off, wait a few seconds, and then toggle it back on. This helps reset your Wi-Fi connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable for this process. Next, head back and tap on Bluetooth. Turn it off and then back on, as Bluetooth is essential for AirDrop to work properly. Now, go to General in the settings and select AirDrop. Here, I recommend setting it to everyone for the next 10 minutes. Also, ensure that Allow Me to be discovered by is set correctly, and consider enabling cellular data if it's off. After that, open your Photos app or any app you want to AirDrop from. Select the photo or video, tap the share icon, and then choose AirDrop. If the receiving device doesn't appear, go to that device and repeat the same steps. Turn off and on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and check the AirDrop settings. Once you've done that, try AirDrop again. Hopefully it'll work. If not, go back to your settings, scroll down and tap on Shutdown. Sometimes a simple restart can fix bugs or glitches that prevent AirDrop from functioning properly. I hope this helps. If it did, please consider subscribing. It really supports the channel. Thanks for watching.